Everyone, and welcome back to your Friday weather forecast. The cold front is seen moving over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape. Therefore, it's been a cloudy, cool and wet today over parts of the South Coast and Eastern Cape, with the cold front now moving into KwaZulu-Natal. Also seen on the satellite loop, isolated thunderstorms developing over the central and northeastern parts of the country. This evening, due to the cold front and a ridging high behind the front, things will remain cloudy with rain showers over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. A cold night in store for the central parts of the Cape provinces, with a few more isolated thunderstorms possible in the northeastern parts. A small chance of more thunderstorms developing this evening over parts of northwest and the Free State. Isolated thunderstorms for Gauteng and over the Highveld, with rain showers over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Due to the cold front and onshore southerly wind for the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, this evening still a strong southerly wind blowing over the west coast. Tomorrow morning, drizzle in Port Elizabeth, but due to a ridging high, cold, cloudy and wet weather for parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Lowveld. A sunny and warm day for the Northern and Western Cape, with isolated thunderstorms in the forecast for parts of northwest, the Highveld and Mpumalanga. Tonight's cold in the Northern Cape and central parts of the Eastern Cape, dropping down to low of 2 degrees in Sutherland, 8 expected in Graaff-Reinet and 9 tonight in De Aar. Mild weather for Cape Town, East London as well as Johannesburg, with a low of 15 degrees and 17 expected in Pretoria. As mentioned, much cooler weather tomorrow in the eastern parts, with only a high of 22 degrees in Durban, 21 expected in East London. Also a cool day for the Lowveld with 22 in Bombela, cooler in Johannesburg, only reaching a high of 26 degrees. Still sunny and warm weather for the Northern Cape with 30 expected in Upington, a mild day for Cape Town reaching a high of 25 degrees. And then over the weekend, on Sunday, sunny and warm weather for the central and western parts as well as the Eastern Cape. Morning drizzle over the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Much cooler and mostly cloudy conditions for the northeastern parts. Maximum temperatures only around 20 degrees with light rain into the Lowveld, parts of Limpopo and over Gauteng, only reaching a high of 19 degrees in Johannesburg. On Monday, mostly dry weather for South Africa. A partly cloudy day for the Western Cape with 24 expected in Cape Town and George. Warmer weather for Gauteng with 25 in Johannesburg. Partly cloudy in Pretoria reaching a high of 27. That's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.